Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Black Myth Wukong on PC and laptop. For that, first go to the official website of Epic Games in your PC and laptop. When you are on the official website of Epic Games, then search the game Black Myth Wukong. Then you will see the game. Black Myth Wukong is an action RPG rooted in Chinese mythology. The story is based on Journey to the West, one of the four great classical novels of Chinese literature. You shall set out as the destined one to venture into the challenges and marvels ahead, to uncover the absurd truth benefit the whole of the glorious legends from the past. If you want to get the game, you need to purchase this game, because this game is not free. If you want to get this game and play on PC, then you will need to spend an amount. If you want to get this game through purchase, then simply click on buy now option here. When you click on buy now, the payment options will appear. Simply select your preferred payment options like debit card, credit card, or any other payment option you want. Then complete the process of payment and you will get the access of install the game in your PC and laptop. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.